Hello everyone, Pedro with you, and in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off dark mode on Snapchat in the newest update. So actually it's very quick and easy. I'll show you how to do that, but you'll need to watch this video till the end so you won't miss any important steps. So first of all, you will need to open the Snapchat, and here from the camera you need to click on your profile picture in the top left corner to open your profile. Now from your profile, you'll need to click on the settings icon in the top right corner to open settings. And now you will need to scroll down just a little bit until you will find app appearance button right here and click on it. And as you can see, in the newest update they added different themes for this application, and you can choose any theme you want. But if you want to turn off the dark mode theme, you can go back and choose system light. This is the default light system for the Snapchat, or you can find any other themes that you would like. For example, there are some light themes, morning dew or summer sunset or peach popsicle. So actually you can add different themes for this application, and if you are satisfied with the system light, for example, to apply this theme, all you have to do is to simply click on the apply theme in the bottom side of the screen, and basically that is it. That is how you can turn off the dark mode on the Snapchat. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.